redneck snack. Relax, it's too short to be serious. I'm full of all kinds of energy here. I'm ready to do this review. And, you know, I think you should be excited to watch this. I have not reviewed the Mint Oreo Blizzard. Now, they don't have it as the Blizzard of the month. They have a new Mint Blizzard, the Mint Brownie, which has brownie pieces and choco chunks. Now, what's the big deal about the Mint Oreo not being Blizzard of the month? Well, since it's not on the menu, they charge extra for adding the mint to the Oreo Blizzard. So that's just something that you should know. It's important, very important, but they have a new Blizzard of the month, not Mint Oreo, but Mint Brownie, which has brownie pieces and choco chunks and the mint ice cream. And then you have Mint Oreo that you can get, but it's not on the menu. Not on the menu at all. So, we're going to go ahead and do our best at posing for the thumbnail here. We're going to do 1 and 1. And so, let's get the lighting better here. And hopefully that did it justice. If it didn't, let's get one more good look. I don't know, the lighting seems to make it a harder time for the green to appear. Now I got a dripping mess because I was trying to show y'all the mint, the colorful mint that's starting to melt. So we need to go ahead and do a review. Alright, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and check out my Instagram, Redneck Snack. So, is Mint Brownie an upgrade over Mint Oreo? Let's figure that out. I've been eating so much mint over the past 2 days, it's crazy. Had a Mint Oreo shake from Jack in the Box, and had a Mint Oreo shake from PDQ. I'll be dropping those reviews soon, so stay tuned for those. As for Mint Brownie, I really love the indulgent fudgy brownie pieces that they provide. I don't think it's quite minty enough. It does have a decent amount of mint flavor. But mint to chocolate ratio isn't quite there. Again, it's good flavor, slight mintiness, and plenty of fudge brownie pieces. Plenty. But I wish it just delivered a little bit more on the mintiness. So if you love fudgy pieces of chocolate with some choco chunks, I didn't get a lot of choco chunks unless they're really soft, and a hint of mint, you'll like it. I'll give it 8 out of 10. Now we're doing the Oreo, which obviously the difference here is a crunchy Oreo pieces. I don't know, folks. I think Mint Oreo is meant to be a combination that lives on for eons. Just something about the fact you get these thinner, crispy Oreo pieces is just I feel like you get more mintiness too. Like it still isn't quite perfect, but it's on par with the Shamrock McFlurry. I don't know, brownie is good. It's an 8 out of 10, but this one gets a 9 out of 10. Just something with the consistency and the chocolate flavor. It's a dark chocolate wafer, so that darker chocolate tone, it's just better. I can't explain it other than the flavor and the crunch. It's just superior. It's meant to go with mint. Meant to go with mint. And that's just how it is. That's why when you go and buy chocolate mint things, it's typically dark chocolate and not milk chocolate, because it just is a better dynamic, and these companies know that. You know that. I would hope you know that. So wow fudge brownie, mint brownie, whatever you want to call it, wow, that is good. Wow, it's a nice combo. Nothing can beat Mint Oreo. You might as well just spend the extra money to get the better product. Now, if you want to try Mint Brownie, that's completely fine. If you want that fudgy texture, that's fine. But nothing beats Mint Oreo. At least when it comes to mint. The superior combo. You could possibly throw in some Oreo pieces into Mint Brownie, and maybe it competes with Mint Brownie altogether, but just the flavor and the texture is superior. So that's my consensus is that Mint Oreo is better, but Mint Brownie still a good option if you're not trying to spend a little extra dough. So yeah, that's my review. Hopefully you're informed. If you're not, well, run to somebody else. All right, I will see y'all around.